guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Lisa and this is Creativity and Inspiration. Welcome back. Today I thought I have a real quick video for you, something really fun. So if you're planning a road trip this summer, maybe a vacation, maybe going to see grandma, or maybe you're moving like I did halfway across the country, or even one state over, I have a cool idea, I have some cool ideas for you to maybe pick up some unique ephemera for your creative processes as you are on your journey or on your move. First thing is, when you're in a new area, look around, and if you want to stop and get a cold drink, or maybe it's morning, you want a coffee, look for a local establishment, one that you have not seen before, and get your beverage or your coffee from there. Always pick up some napkins. It might have a logo on there. You might get a coffee, little wrap thing with the business logo on it, unique straws, paper bags, all sorts of things. So try out a local establishment if you're in a new area. Another thing is a local store, like if a Five and Dime or somewhere like that. If you have time, run in and you might pick up something really unique, and it only has to cost you $1. Okay, doesn't have to be expensive, but you might get some unique packaging along the way that you don't see in your area. Along the same lines, if you're driving and you pull into a truck stop and you have to go potty, look at the local snacks or the local bottles with the labels on them, because a lot of times these truck stops will have snacks or candies or something that are promoting local businesses that you could pick up and keep the wrappers for your ephemera. Lastly, in your hotel, wherever you're staying, if you stay in a hotel, there's always a section where the hotel will be featuring brochures about local attractions in and around the area and the state you're in. So maybe check that out and pick up some brochures that you might be able to use in future ephemera pieces. There's also a lot of free advertising, magazines, maybe hotel advertisements, those kind of things. So be sure and grab those too. They're free and they're for the taking. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Just some quick tips on finding some maybe unique ephemera in places as you are traveling or moving. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you liked it a lot, be sure and hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell above, because I'm getting back into this now, and there's going to be a lot of videos cranking out very soon. Thanks for being here today, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.